Hello subscribers, and I thought I would do this video just to let you all know what I've been up to and why I haven't been putting videos up on the Boots on the Ground channel. As I said, I would be doing them through winter. I've got shingles and I've got it's in my back and my chest and my lungs as well at the minute, and honestly when I say pain, it just doesn't let up. It just doesn't let up. That's shingles for you. Jesus, it just never lets up. But all Saturday I've been stuck in the house and I'm getting cabin fever and I need to get out, so I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go to Tropical World at Roundy just so I can get out of the house for half hour, and if you want to, you can come with me. God, I feel like a leper. Everybody avoided me at work. I won't wish this on the worst enemy. Let's go. So here we are in the Tropical House, and do you know what? It's nice temperature in here, especially when you're not feeling well. I'm really not feeling good. Now, last time I came in here, they actually had ants, and that's where we're going to go have a look and see whether they've actually still got them in here. The camera's probably going to get dark, but this is where we're actually at now. It is beautifully warm in here. Really nice place. They've actually put the price up. It used to be free to get in here. It's now £7, but I see they've got a nice little restaurant now, so I suppose they've got to pay for it somehow. Now we know, of course, that our ants need to be in hibernation at this time of year. So the chances are that these leafcutter ants that are actually down here at Tropical World are probably not going to be here. They'll be behind the scenes, or they'll be actually hibernating. But we can have a look and go down there anyway, and we'll have a little look around. It's quite warm in here. You know what? This shingles has absolutely killed me. I won't wish it on anybody. It's nice in here. Over here, let's have a look. And yes, we are in luck.
Tak, nursery, patrz na przedszkole. Zobacz, nursery, przedszkole. Widzisz? Tu są
Those ants have actually got a really good setup because they can come along here onto this rope here and they can work their way all the way over to that tree over there. So they've actually got an absolutely huge area for them to be able to get their leaves from, which is absolutely awesome. I actually love it. I never thought I'd be able to get into ants, but there is something absolutely fascinating about the way they have areas for rubbish. There is a nursery, there's a nest area, and there's the outworlds and foraging. They really are fascinating little creatures once you actually look into them. But yeah, I'll get some more footage now, because this is the whole reason that I actually came here today, to have a look at these leaf cutter ants. So mission accomplished, really. That was the only reason I actually wanted to come here, was to have a look at the ants. And if you weren't sure, I have actually got an ant channel here on YouTube called Box of Ants. And I'm trying to get my Lasius niger colony to actually go into hibernation with not much luck, but you'll see those videos. I'll put a link here. What a stench in here. It smells like Bradford. Tell you what I have missed over this last couple of weeks from being ill is autumn. The colour of the forest and the trees that changes that colour. Leaves, that golden colour you can see over there. A beautiful golden colour. I kind of missed that. Maybe I should make an excuse and get out and just... See, I've got painkillers, but painkillers do no good because it's nerves, not muscular. Anyway, here at the water park, the Spiritualist Park, maybe we can find refuge or restitution, whatever the word is. Many of you, if you've watched my channel, you'll know about the video I mentioned about Ascot Falls and how the sound of running water just seems to soothe. Don't know why that is. Look at these are awesome. They almost don't look real, like little lanterns. If you know what they are, let me know. I really like them. I want some in my garden. And let's listen to that water. Awesome. Just look at the colours here. This is amazing. These are just so beautiful. I don't know what species they are. These are not red currants, are they? If you know what these are, let me know. There are some amazing colours at this time of year, including this tree now, which I now know what this is because I did this on a previous video that I haven't released because I look like death. These are actually, deer can eat these without getting sick, but the seed on the inside is extremely toxic. That is a yew tree, and I say I've learnt that from trying to learn a little bit about bushcraft and some of the plants and stuff that we can and can't eat, and that's definitely one that you do not want to eat. But again, just look at the colours here. Absolutely amazing. A really sort of a light limey green colour. And as you come down here, this Japanese acacia, I think it is, or acacia tree, that red is amazing. What an amazing colour that is. Wow. Wow. Get me a new mortgage. I'll go live in that little house. We just love to live in a little house like that. Perfect little garden going all the way around. That'd do me perfectly. Me and Kate can sail in there, just making babies. Well, no, actually, forget that. I'll use contraception. We'll just practice a lot. You know what I'm saying, lads? Do you know what? I think Kate's brought me out of it. I'm feeling a bit better. Just look at the colour of these trees. It's amazing. Proper gold. Wow. What an amazing colour. Wow. That kind of brings my video to an end here on Box of Ants and the Boots on the Ground UK. Here at Rowney Park, it's a little bit too open for me. It's not really the sort of place I like. There's just not enough trees. As you can see behind me, there's a massive open area, and this is where they have the concerts of Madonna and all that garbage. And yeah, sorry for not uploading videos, but I've explained why. I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy. So I was going to say, it's not just for old people. Shingles is actually a form of chickenpox, and the virus stays in your spine. And then anyway, I won't bore you with it. But anyway, thanks for the support. Thanks for boots on the ground. We're at nearly 100 subscribers on my brand new channel, Box of Ants. I think we've got up to, is it almost 20 subscribers, which is not a lot, but it's a very niche thing. And I'm really enjoying that aspect. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you want to subscribe, thumbs up and support Aleppo, then please do. But in the meantime, it's time for me to get back to the car and edit this video, give me something to do and try and get rid of the pain. But anyway, thanks for the support. I shall be uploading some videos, some hiking videos and some more ant videos, hopefully as soon as I can. But in the meantime, have a cracking time and I shall see you when I see you. Bye bye. I need some drugs.